This is the elevator that goes up to the tree at the Rockefeller Center Mall. That button's replaced. This used to be JL. Hello? Is that the door? What the? That's funny. Alright. What's in the motor? Another elevator. Down?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
You guys have a good one.
You too.
Quick cab. Someone's waiting. Hey. You're welcome. Like this though. Oh. And there's another elevator on the other side, which we're gonna go ride. Okay, elevator number 2. Let's see how this one is. It looks like it's here. She's gonna be on this side.
Yeah, it's warm. At least it's warm.
I can't believe this. I can't imagine cars that take it.
It's open.
Huh? I can't imagine how they could trip with
I remember one of these being louder. Hopefully nobody's waiting for it. Let me get a look out here. These buttons are... That's an Otis replacement. There is absolutely no fun in this. I like riding these elevators when the tree's lit. What the hell?
They could just meet us?
That button's really finicky. Anyways, that's it.